Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is very important. We will talk about nodes, branches and loop in electric circuit. What is a branch? A branch is any circuit element like a resistor, a current source or a voltage source. In the circuit I've drawn, we can easily count the branches. Let's take a look at each circuit element. We will have one voltage source over here, 5 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor, and 2 ampere current source over here. So there are 5 branches in total. Sorry. 5 branches. It is very simple. Now, what is a node? A node is a point where 2 or more branches connect. In this circuit, we can call this one as node A. Node A connects the voltage source and 5 ohm resistor. We also can have node B over here, which connect the 5 ohm resistor, 2 ohm resistor, 3 ohm resistor, and the top wire to the current source. You can see all of them is connected to here. We call all of them as node B. And finally, node C connect the 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ampere, and 10 volt. At the bottom of the circuit, you can call it C. So we have 3 nodes. Let's say A, B, and C. Just listen carefully. If 2 points are connected directly by a wire, which you call it a short circuit, and there is no element between them, we don't count them as a separate node. They are the same nodes. Therefore, over here, this is also B because they are connected with the wire. This is also B. This is at the bottom also, this is C. This is same. This is same. C. Okay? So, now is the right time to talk about parallel and series element. We are saying that if 2 elements are connected to the same 2 nodes, they are in parallel. So, in that case, what elements are in parallel? 2 ohm resistor and 3 ohm resistor, both of them are connected to the same 2 nodes. Therefore, we can say that 2 ohm resistor is parallel with 3 ohm resistor, and also there are parallel with 2 ampere current source. We also say that if 2 elements share only one node and are connected end to end, they are in series. So we can have another example. Assume that you have only the first loop. Very soon we are talking about what is the loop. In that case, we will have one node here, one node here, and one node here. So we are going to say that these two resistors share only one nodes. They have only one node in common. This resistor has B and C. This resistor has A and B. Since they have a common node, they're using only one common node. We are going to say that they are in series. 5 ohm plus 2, yeah, which is equal to 7 ohm. Okay, now we are talking about loop. What is a loop? A loop is any closed path in the circuit. Okay, how many closed paths you will see in this circuit? So we can see many of those. Let's see what is the first closed path over here. I can consider, I can redraw this. I can consider this 10 volt, 5 ohm resistor and 2 ohm resistor as one of the loops. Then the other loop can be the second loop over here. That means 2 ohm resistor with 3 ohm resistor. This is another closed loop, or I can consider the third one from here to here, which is 3 ohm resistor with 2 ampere current source. So, or also there are other possibilities. I can consider this green one as one closed loop, including 10 volt. Sorry. Including 10 volt. 5 ohm resistor. And it goes to here. Yes, that's 3 ohm. If I want to show, sorry. That's 3 ohm. Or I can have this yellow one as another closed loop. Sorry, this closed loop, the two circuits over here. We can have these two maybe. 2 ohm. Sorry, yeah, 2 ohm connected to 2 ampere. This is another closed loop. Or finally, we can see the whole circuit as a closed loop, which is including 110 volt. If I start from here, 15 ohm resistor, and if I go 2 ampere. Yeah, this is going to be plus minus 10 volt, 5 ohm, and 2 ampere. So in total we have 6 loops. But what is an independent loop? An independent loop is the one that contains at least one branch which not found in any other independent loop. Meaning that the first 3 that I redraw, the blue ones, they are independent. So uh, none of the branches are found in any other independent loop, and therefore we have 3 independent loop in here. Independent loop. 3. I'm going to write it over here. Independent loop. We also had 3 nodes. And if I want to tell you a summary of this lecture, we have a branch, which is any element like resistor, source, etc. Nodes is connection point of 2 or more branches. Loop is any closed path. Parallel if the same 2 nodes are connected. Series is if only one common nodes between elements exists. An independent loop used in the mesh analysis and loop equation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you to understand the topic better.